You dedicated yourself to early childhood education to inspire and guide young learners. And what you end up doing most of the time is drowning in tedious reports or playing phone tag with parents. Feel that your childcare centre is juggling with too many software tools? It doesn't have to be like that. Kinderpedia brings together everything from admin work and playground fun to chats with parents and handling of tuition fees. Children's data is safely stored in the cloud. Carefully crafted staff roles provide both privacy and accessibility. With quick reports and smart dashboards, childcare centre owners and managers can make informed decisions and facilitate targeted interventions. Kinderpedia empowers educators with smart activity tracking tools, right at their fingertips. With just a few taps, they can take attendance, register meal details or napping hours, and make on-the-go observations. This way, they save lots of time and get the chance to focus on what matters most. Because early childhood education is about more than shapes, letters and songs, Kinderpedia supports teachers in making learning visible. Childcare centres configure their curriculum on the platform with clear learning goals for every stage. Educators observe, assess and report children's progress from their laptop or smartphone. This way, the learning journey becomes more transparent and highly personalised. Forget once and for all about the headache of handling tuition fees. No more tedious cross-checks between Excel sheets, bank statements and contracts. Kinderpedia manages all your tuition plans, making it a breeze to handle credits and deposits. It offers instant access to the family balance and allows parents to pay tuition fees directly within the app. Alleviate parental anxiety and turn families into partners in their children's learning experiences. With Kinderpedia's two-way communication and collaboration toolkit, parents are constantly updated on daily activities. They get quick insights on meals, nap times, learning progress, events and important school milestones. They have all the information they need at hand and this gives them confidence. And it's not just us saying it, it's the enthusiastic feedback from our partners that places us at the top of G2 and Capterra rankings.
I would definitely recommend Kinderpedia.
I do recommend Kinderpedia to schools from nursery to high school.
I definitely recommend Kinderpedia to all the schools which are aiming for high-quality education.
With Kinderpedia by your side, you get all the time and support you need to do what you signed up for. Collaborate and innovate, empower your teachers, build trust with families, and help our children learn and grow. Ready to work smarter and connect better with Kinderpedia? Let's talk.